Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all, it is summertime, and with summertime, it brings some good old desserts. And I'm going to be sharing a dessert with y'all today that is good for just about any occasion, and that is some good old banana pudding. I've had a request to do this. I have been doing this. I've done this banana pudding years and years and years ago. And I'm going to give props where props is due. This is Miss Paula Deen's little recipe, not your mama's banana pudding. So we are going to get started. Now I had this, got my little pan. I had it in the, I had it getting cold, so it's nice and cold. We're going to make our own whipped cream because it's just better. And I have already started, I got my bananas cut. I know y'all don't want to see all that. You need 2 of these Chessmen butter cookies. I've already just layered one on the bottom. And my bowl is a little big, but I was like, just to be honest, I was going to see how it was going to fit in there. That's why I went ahead and put those down. So we've got those layered there. Let's go ahead and make our little whipped cream here. We're going to use 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I know Russ is looking at his heavy whipping cream. He uses this in his coffee.
It'll be all right. It's a big
honking. Yeah. All right, so 2 cups of that, and
I'm glad Walmart has them things now.
Yes, we like the big ones. I used to sell just the small ones. I got 2 tablespoons of just regular granulated sugar, and I'm just going to beat this until we get that peak. All right, and I'm going to put just a little bit of this vanilla in here. Miss Chris gave us this vanilla. I'm just going to do a little teaspoon in there, about a teaspoon or so. I always put some vanilla in my little whipped cream. Just gives it some good flavor. We're just going to get back to beating this. All right, y'all. See how it's stiff right there? That's how you want it, just like so. So we are going to, let me get this Cool Whip off of here because we got to mix something else. I'm just going to set this back here. Now I'm going to get my other little bowl, trying to use my space wisely. Now we're going to put 1 block of cream cheese in here, and I already got my little knife, honey, because we're going to get all this off.
You was planning ahead.
Yeah, I sure was. It's not the Philadelphia, but it come off pretty good. This was the Costco. All right, and we're going to mix 1 can of sweetened condensed milk with the cream cheese. We're going to just give this a little mix. All this good stuff, y'all, going in. I love no-bake recipes. I really do. I love when you ain't got to bake nothing.
Especially as hot as it is outside today.
It is, and this is perfect, y'all. I know it's going to be over by the time you see this video, but tomorrow is the 4th, so we're going to be eating this for tomorrow. Move my little stuff out of the way. All right, we'll give this a little mix. All right, we got that mixed. Seems like a lot to mix, but it's going to be all right. Okay, the next thing we're going to do, I'm going to move this book out of the way. I don't want to get messed up. I love my cookbooks, y'all. I surely do. I've had that one for a really long time. All right, we're going to mix. Now, she uses the French vanilla in hers, but I actually like the banana cream better. It gives it just some more banana flavor. So, this is what I like. You do whatever you like. But we've got a 5 ounce box. So the big honking family one is what you want, that size. And I'm just mixing this with 2 cups of just cold whole milk. I got my little whisk here. We're going to give that a little stir. Just like so. Now I've got about 7 bananas cut up. And I'm going to go ahead and just put those right on top of these cookies, just like so. I'm not going to, no rhyme or reason, honey. I'm just going to dump them. I just cut them too, and they already looking a little dark, but
it don't take but a minute.
It does, and it really don't. They put a little lemon juice on it, and it saves it. But All right, just give that a little spread here. Good old Nana pudding, y'all. I love me some Nana pudding. I just realized I made a little banana pudding, about 2 weeks ago.
You did?
Yes, I did. And I was like, oh, I'll take the girls some because I was just wanting some banana pudding. I can't eat the whole thing. How about James Russell discovered he likes banana pudding? How about that? He's like, boy, this is good. So I keep telling him I don't even know who you are because he's like, oh, I don't eat bananas. I don't eat bananas. All right, now we are going to try not to make a mess here. I'm going to start mixing all this together. This bowl here, and I got this for that because I knew I was going to be digging on that too. Trying to get that out of here. There we go. We're just going to give this a little mix, and then we're going to just fold that whipped topping in there. That. The good stuff.
Looking
oh, good. It does, don't it?
Yep. Moral of that story, y'all, is when you think you don't like something and it's been a long time since you tried it,
keep trying it.
try it again because you might
might
change your mind.
They say your taste buds change every 7 years, so it might just be something that you really wish you liked and you keep trying it and you don't. I do that with liver. My mom would make liver and it smells so good and I taste it. I'm like, nope, still don't. I hadn't tasted it in a really long time though. But I think it's the texture for me. All right, we're going to just fold this in here. Give it a good little stir here, and then we're just going to pour it right on top. It really, I know it looked like a lot of mixing, but it comes together in no time. Let's go do this. Just fold it, stir it up. Don't that look delicious?
It really does.
Mm-hmm. It does. All right, now over this it goes. I'll be licking those later. I'm just being honest. I will be
cleaning those.
I will be. Yes, I will. We gotta leave a little something, you know. Little something. Ready? Here we go. Just gonna pour it right on top. All that yummy goodness, y'all. Ooh, Lord. That.
Wow. That looks good.
Yes, it's gonna be good. You know what? I think I'm gonna get in here with this big wide one. Do my thing. Get all that out. It makes a lot of pudding. It really does.
We're gonna have some company tomorrow. So.
Yep, it does. And you can still, if you want to use your vanilla wafers with this too, you don't have to have those little cookies. But I'm just doing it like she, pretty much like she did. I add a little different, you know, kind of make it your own. But we're going to put those little cookies on top. Now, it's best to let it sit for about 3 hours. Let it get cold. Keep it in the refrigerator, obviously. But in about 3 hours, just cover it with a little wrap or something, a little saran wrap. And it will be good. All right, now we're going to put these last little cookies on here. And I do have a big dish right there. So, just gonna spread them on top here. I'm gonna give mine a little room. Like that. That one's broken, but it's all right.
Oh, yeah,
It'll be just fine.
Yeah.
We're eating just the same, won't we? Yeah. Yes, we will. Ain't nothing no better, and I tell you what, this is good for just about, like I said, any occasion. Barbecues, church socials.
Yeah, my friend Buddy at the gym, that's who
Yeah.
said y'all ought to do Nacho Mama's
Yeah.
banana pudding.
Banana pudding. These feel a little broken up. I'm feeling not good about these, y'all. Oh my. Yeah, they're broken up. Bless it. Oh my.
I think you'll make it work.
We'll see about that. No, it's like crumbled up.
Uh-oh.
Yes. It's not a good situation. We just piece it together and
Do the best you can.
do the best we can.
That's
That's
right.
right. That's all. That's all we can do.
I think it's still gonna be good regardless. It ain't gotta be
Yeah.
pretty.
It really don't. And it's just for our family.
Yep.
So they don't care,
They ain't
honey.
gonna care. That's right.
They don't care, just so it's there. All right, y'all. I'm gonna finish this up as best I can, and I guess we'll let it sit for about 3 hours or so, and then Russ can give it a little taste and tell us all about it.
That's
All right, y'all. It is the best time.
My favorite time.
Tasting time.
Yeah.
We have waited how many hours now?
Oh,
It's been
wow.
about 4 hours. It's been about 4 hours, y'all. We've waited. So we've been getting into other stuff. So it's time.
I'm ready.
We're busy, so we weren't thinking about it.
Well, the cookie is still good.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
It's well, it's been in the refrigerator. It didn't get like soggy.
Like the vanilla wafers do. They do get a little soft.
Oh man.
Still good as I remember.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
What have I been missing all these years?
I know. Y'all, it is hilarious that this one wouldn't eat bananas. He wouldn't eat banana pudding. He wouldn't. I'd make him a little special one, just a cracker and the pudding. He didn't want no bananas in it. And now, how many bananas you eating a day? Exactly.
I'm like a monkey, y'all.
Yes, we just got a whole counter full of bananas. You'd think we had a monkey. Lots of them.
I don't know.
He's been having cramps in his legs and stuff, so he's been having eating those for potassium, and he realized that's an excellent way to get it. Tastes good, which he's always kind of liked the flavor of a banana, just not the texture.
That's exactly right.
So, but now he's overcoming. How about that?
Well, I was putting it in yogurt, and it's kind of creamy anyway, so you don't really mess the texture. And then I was like, you know what? It tastes good. So I just started regular eating a banana.
Yep.
And yeah.
Then he got my banana pudding I made a few weeks back, and he's like, "That was really good." I was like, "Right, been telling you. I know what's up. I know what's good. I tell him that all the time."
My apologies to the girls at work.
Yeah, you didn't get none. Sorry.
Yeah.
He says sorry, not sorry, right?
Very much so. Sorry, not sorry.
Yeah, we'll have another time for that. No worries.
Well, I'm very charitable.
Yes, he is.
Yeah.
You do share.
I do. I try to get rid of stuff like that a lot, y'all.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna have it tomorrow.
Yeah.
For our July 4th.
Sugar babies are coming.
We done, yes, our little sugar babies. We done dug into it, but they don't care.
No.
So, y'all, I hope you try this, and it's a good one. It's an old recipe. It's been around a little bit now, but it's delicious. It's a little different spin on just normal banana pudding. I know I've done a banana pudding the other way with Cool Whip and banana pudding and not those cookies, vanilla wafers. But anyway, this is delicious.
You can't beat these kind of recipes in the summer because you don't have to turn nothing
No,
on. You don't have to bake. You don't.
I was telling him that. I was like, oh my gosh, I just love the no-bake stuff. I really do. Love it.
Y'all let us know what your favorite summer recipes are for desserts. We love banana pudding. We've been eating watermelon for, well, not really dessert, but we've been eating
We've
watermelon.
eaten a lot of fruit anyway.
A lot of fruit, yeah.
Lots of fruit.
We
but,
got some blueberries. We got fresh
yes,
blueberries.
Lord.
We're going to do some stuff with it. Yeah.
did.
What do y'all like to eat for your desserts for summertime? Yeah, I know for the 4th of July, a lot of people do apple pies and stuff like that, but I don't know. Banana pudding is just that cool banana out of the
Classic.
refrigerator. It's like, it
It's a
speaks
classic.
summertime to me. Yep.
It is.
Let us know. Get in the comments. Let us know.
Yes. Anyway, y'all, we thank you so much for watching, stopping and loving on us, saying hello and all the things. And I'm hyping and subscribing and liking and just everything.
All that.
Sharing, all that stuff. But anyway, y'all, thank you so much. And until next time.
Peace.